everybody, the Frog here to show you Flipnote Studios for the DSi. Let's go. Alright, here we are. You can download Flipnote Studios from the DSi shop for free. Let's go ahead and create. Flipnote Studios is an app that is like a flip book where you can flip the pages and it makes it look like cartoon is happening. So what we can do, we can make a man throwing, how about a man flying around? Let's do that. Some arms, and then, alright, there's our man. You just draw it with the stylus. Okay, so what you do, you hold the L button, and then you drag him up to where you want to go. So you go to the next page by pressing this right here, the right direction on the D-pad. So you hold L, drag him up to where you want, and then do it again, and then until he goes up, and just keep going up until he flies all the way up. And then we'll make another person. We'll draw the head coming down here, and then he's going to fly. We're going to do next. We're going to go to the eraser, press A up there, and it changes to the eraser. Erase that. Go back to that. Draw his head down here. Head there, and then his arms, and then his body and his legs. And again, hold L and drag down. Just keep doing it. Until he's out of the screen. Then you press this little frog down there, and then you see all these settings. You can see the paints. Here's all the drawings. Here are the paints. And here are the erasers. Here's all the other settings. We'll do that in the advanced tools video. So there's the speed bar down there. If you want to make it really slow, you can just do it at 1 or 2. Okay, so this is what you made. And you can speed it up. You can go really fast. Make it just kind of fast. Really slow. Really fast. And then you can add sound. So let's record something. Whee! Let's play it. That didn't turn out. Let's slow it down. Get rid of that and the sound. Whee! And then there it is. And if you speed it up, then the sound will get sped up too. Kind of cool. And you can import photos. Like there's a photo, and there's a photo there. There's the photo that I first took on and you can change it there. And that's the photo I first took on the first video. Okay, so, and you can add shading with the paints. Add shading to his head or something. Don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of blurry. And then go onto there, and you can do an eraser if you don't like something. Or get that out of there. Press down to just play it right there. Kind of funny. And you can do different colors. You can do blue, red, and black, but you can only have 2 colors on there at once. Press the B button, and then you can change colors. There's red, and you can barely see it, but yeah, and there's the thing to just see all your stuff, see all the frames, and copy it and stuff. And so you save, just click save system memory, or if an SD card is in there, exit, let's get out of there, and go to view flip notes, go to system memory. There's a bunch of them that I made. Here's one that I made right here. This is with adding photos. Kind of looks like I'm actually speaking. Pretty cool. And this is a cool one. Kind of cool. And here's the one we just made. Yeah, right there. And you can go to detailed, and it shows you when it was made and who it was made by. Obviously it was made by you. And then there's the Flipnote Tana shop. And it just, if that's where you can post your own flip notes there. So in a second here, when it loads, it's going to show you all the all the flip notes that people posted on here. So when it connects to the internet, I'll show you. There we go. All flip notes. There's a bunch of flip notes. Either they're locked or locked. If they're locked or not locked. If they're locked, that means you can not edit them. If they're not locked, you can't edit them. Creators Room, channel list, I've posted a few. And yeah. And you can go to the calendar. It shows you the flip notes on what dates. And you can go to recent notes. It shows you all the ones that you've done in recent times. Pretty much shows you all of them. And the Flipnote antenna, there's help up here, all the help topics and stuff there. And there's the settings, bunch of settings, username, Michael Jackson. Flipnote Studio ID, birthday, pages to Lightbox, system sounds, just a bunch of settings for Flipnotes, for making the Flipnotes. Well, it would be Flipnote Studios. Hope y'all enjoyed. Okay, well, let's go and show you the secret on sound. Okay, so go into record and edit sound. Remember this?
Hello, YouTube, and welcome to the tutorial.
Well, whatever. Okay, so let's record something. La! So, record some short little thing, and then it will just get the beginning of it. All you do is you go over it, plays the sound, and then you wait. It takes a long time to come. Alright, it's coming in a second. There it is. And it plays it, the Super Mario Brothers theme song. It's really cool. You can do that for any of your sounds. And that is the secret on the Nintendo DSi sound application. Hope y'all enjoyed.